In this video, I'll guide you through how to post your first post on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a published article that your readers can see and respond to. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head over to substack.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to create one first by following Substack's sign-up process. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, you're ready to begin creating your first post. From your Substack dashboard, look for the option or button labeled Create. And this is usually near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. Substack will give you a few different content options, but for your first piece, you'll want a standard written post. Next, choose Article. This is the format for your regular newsletter style posts. Clicking Article will open the editor where you'll see a space for your title at the top and a larger writing area below. Now, add a subtitle. The subtitle appears just under your main title and helps clarify what your post is about. It can be a short summary, a key takeaway, or a brief sentence that adds context or hooks the reader's interest. Take a moment to write something clear and specific. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you can always come back and adjust it later. Once your subtitle is in place, move down into the main body area and start writing. This is where the bulk of your content goes. You can type directly into the editor, paste text from another document, and use formatting options like headings, bold, italics, or links to structure your article. If you want to break up long sections, try using short paragraphs or subheadings to make it easier to read. You can also add images or embeds if your publication supports that, but focus first on getting your words down. When you're happy with what you've written, look for the option to continue to the next step. This is typically a continue button that moves you from the writing screen to the publishing settings. Click that to move forward. On the next screen, you'll choose your audience and comment settings. Here you can decide who is allowed to see the post and who can comment on it. For a first post, many creators allow comments from all subscribers to encourage engagement, but you can adjust this based on your comfort level. Take a moment to read the options and pick what feels right for you and your publication. You'll also see a place to add tags. Tags are keywords or topics that describe your post, such as technology, writing, or personal update. Adding tags helps organize your content and can make it easier for readers to find related posts later on. Choose a few that are relevant and concise. Next, you can enable delivery and scheduling options. Here you decide whether the post should go out immediately or at a specific time. If you want your article to land in inboxes at a particular hour or on a certain day, set a schedule. Scheduling can be helpful if you're planning a consistent publishing rhythm or targeting a time when your audience is most active. Once all of your settings look good, you're ready for the final step. Click Send if you want to email the post to your subscribers right away, or Publish if you simply want it live on your Substack site. After you confirm, your first Substack post will be officially published and ready for readers.